stop. Turn off the TV off, turn off your Facebook account, and turn off any distractions right now, because I got something unbelievable to show you right now that's going to go ahead and accelerate your mind right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to share with you one of the most powerful experiences that I've been feeling for the last couple of months, and I want to share with you exactly what I'm experiencing. So turn off the TV off, turn off any type of distractions. So you want to pay attention right now, 101 right now. Now, if this is your first time here at this channel, hit that red subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell when I do videos just like this. Now, you know what time it is, and let's talk about it. Let's talk about something that's going to transform your life in terms of your health, your wealth, and your personal life, right? Exactly, personal life, right? So this is a special video. I'm also going to show you exactly where you can go ahead and get signed up to see and feel exactly what I'm feeling right now. Now, what I'm talking about right now is talking about heal. Now, I know you might have heard about it. If you haven't heard about heal, heal is thinking about something we all need to be healing. Now, yes, heal means a lot of different things. But you know what? It's actually 4 things that I'm going to focus on right now. Health, energy, abundance, and lifestyle, right? Because we all want to be healed into something. We all are hurt and painful about something. And I'm part of this organization. I'm part of this company. I'm part of this transformational experience that's really going to change your results. It's going to change your mind in 2020. So let's go ahead and dive into the content, what I'm talking about. So what I'm talking about is heal. I'm going to go to the story right. I'm talking about heal. Now, heal was started back with the Munson brothers. But you're going to go ahead and see the story here. So I want to show you the backstory. Then I'll show you the dashboard and other things as well. But I got to show you this because this is the foundation of all the things I've been talking about. Heal, energy, abundance, and lifestyle, right? Because we all want a great lifestyle to live. Now, heal was started out by the Munson brothers way back in 2014. Actually, the idea came around in 2013, but 2014 is where the battle really began, when they started doing videos, when they started really have this dream of impacting, inspiring, and transforming themselves and other lives all across the world. So right below this video, I do have that information to heal, to get signed up right now for free to get the timestamp and to at least see what I'm showing you right now. So I want to go ahead and throw that in for you. So what I want you to do, when you first log in, I want you to watch the healed story. When you log in, you put your email in there, you'll watch a short video, get right to the healed story, because I want you to understand where it starts, right? Because it's not only about your health, but it's also about wealth, and it's also about transforming other people's lives and including your life, because it's 2020. So I want to give you the backstory of heal, when it first began. 2015, the breakthrough. 2016, the mountains of heal. So it started to really climb. And then the beautiful communities in 2017. And then 2018, the dollar and the dream. There's a video about that, which is very impactful, because when I watched that first video, it gave me hope, because I remember having $2.35 in my wallet. I actually remember having that, and I remember not necessarily knowing where I'm going to go. And I remember watching this video here, I really started to really resonate to the story, because we all been there of where we had so much pain, if it's a financial pain or health pain, that we need something uplift. So you definitely want to pay attention to this video here and to the story. So I want you to go and watch it. And what I love about it, it talks about from the beginning until where it is right now, which is over a $1 million company right now that's producing results, that's helping out definitely a lot of people grow themselves. There's tons of testimonials on Heal that's uplifting others as well. So pretty much, I want you to watch this whole video. Watch this whole story, that what it is now, and we're in 2020, and the transformation is continuing. Even though it says right here, but the transformation is continuing. So we're just going to sign up. I'm going to show you my dashboard. So watch the story, but I'm going to show you what's possible. What's possible. I can't promise you anything. Results are not typical. Well, we got over 77,000 members in Heal, and it's growing every single day. And matter of fact, it was 77,600 not that long ago when I'm doing this video. Can you make money through Heal? Yes, you can. And I'm going to show you some reasons how you can. So you can actually start a business with Heal mainly because of the products it has. It has digital products and it actually has physical products like the immune products. I actually just ordered the immunity products, and it's fantastic because it keeps you healthy, especially when you're traveling. I've tried the products and the products are fantastic. That immunity product, the APCO immunity products, is 100% great. It's really, really good because it really cleans out the immune system. And especially, if you're usually kind of get sick easily, or if you have issues like breathing, things like that, I find it kind of relaxes me. So this is something that you can get commission from, or you can try their own products as well. You also can get commission off selling the product of the t-shirts as well, and the books, and more products is going to be coming in there as we come. Now, when you become a VIP member, when you go ahead and click on that link below, you will get access. You will get access to the awesome training that it has, right? The training there is designed for you to grow in several different areas. It's designed to really grow in terms of growing your business, growing your health, and also growing your influence, growing your brand as well. Because when you're starting something out, it's not just about making money, but it's the whole of you. It's the health, it's the food, it's the fitness, right? It's the motivation. You can always go back in here and watch this training. And when you become a VIP, which we have 50% off right now, you can go ahead and take advantage of this opportunity of taking this training and transforming yourself to the person you always wanted to be, or to the person that you want to be, right? Because this is all about transforming your lives. So it has motivation, mindset, building your business, personal growth, and community, which is the backbone of the operation as well. So the VIP suitcase coach is awesome because it has tons of videos, tons of training in here to help you transform your life to the next level. And the backbone, and one thing I really like about it, is the community, which is also in the Facebook group right here. And it's growing every single day. That VIP Facebook group is something else. And here's like a little sneak preview of the VIP Heal Facebook group that you'll get by becoming a VIP member. And become a VIP member is 50% off right now. It's hot right now. We've got people growing in there every single day, all the time. So it's really hot right now. I really like Heal because the engagement and the support of the community is fantastic. So I just want to show you a little bit of it. And this is somebody who just actually brought somebody into Heal just 1 hour ago. So you're seeing it right there in live, pretty much live right now. So it's other products of Heal as well, but I want to pay attention to the VIP coach because that's kind of like the beginning part of the Heal thing. I'm gonna go ahead and show you where that will be. So you will start out with the VIP Heal, and it's at a limited price right now, 50% off. So if you get it today, it's 50% off. I'm going to go ahead and go back to my screen. So if you get it today, it's VIP. But the more important thing I want to tell you about is transforming your life. Yes, you can make an income. Results are not typical. There's a disclaimer right below the video as well. But I'm also going to give you a bonus. So when you sign up today, I'm going to give you a bonus to help kickstart your progress in 2020 in terms of getting more different value to you. That'd be all free. It's kind of like my rapid traffic, traffic study stuff that I'm going to give to you for free. So it's going to be more value. It's completely free. It's actually value at $397. I'm going to give it to you. It's kind of like it's kind of like my baby. It's kind of like different strategies that I've been using that I got from other people. I'm going to give to you just by signing up and being a VIP member today. Is VIP member today. So click on the link below to get started. It's my #1 recommendation for growing your business in 2020 to really starting out right? Because when I started out this video, I was all about, transforming and energy and abundance and lifestyle. Well, that's what Heal's all about. And that's exactly what you're going to get when you sign up, take action, and go ahead and make the life and make the progress that you always wanted. Click on the link below. When you get signed up, become a VIP coach, I will go ahead and email you some bonuses that's going to help get you more results in your business when you sign up. So click on the link below. I'll see you on the inside.